Cameron and CJ. And I'm uploading a new video on my YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing this racetrack. Watch out. We're gonna be doing a racetrack race. Sorry. And it'll be alright. CJ. Alright.
Okay, let's do this, bro.
Oh, you started. Oh, I run out.
I ran out too.
On the side. One side. Oh, yeah.
See that, girls? See that? Do you hear me? See that, girls? See that? Oh.
Ah, crap.
Oh, crap, mine wiped out.
What's it doing? Oh, it's fine.
Get away.
Hang on, because we're on the same side. Why isn't mine working?
Are you
leave it on, leave it on.
okay? I like big butt to the camera. Lie. This ain't working.
I don't know why this one ain't working. Let me see yours.
See what?
Go over there and fix that one. Hang on.
Oh, wait.
Take this car out of the way. Alright, put it back down. Put it back down. Gotta put it in the right place. Put it over here. Okay, let me see it. Toss it.
Go.
I think it'll work if you put it in a high place, CJ. Why isn't... Oh, this is why.
Whoa! Go.
Why aren't they working anymore?
Go.
You think it's dead?
They don't die.
Can we check battery?
Okay. Guys, we're done with this video, I think. Are we?
Yep, we're done.
See ya.
See you in my next video.